everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. Today I bring our brother Wode and his family. Yes, Wode family. I say Wode family because Miss Judy and Wode family. Yes, so Miss Judy dad, all of them, they are one now. Okay, sit down and enjoy this our video. Not drop hate comment. Also, I still bring they one go come this my table today. In fact, two of them I will combine them together to talk. First of all, let's go straight to our brother Wode. I say Wode and his family, Miss Judy, Miss Dad, and our mom also, our West African mom also. I say then they go vacation or may we wash. No, not come from you. When we wash first. Hey now. All Miss Judy, all Wode lovers who subscribe to me because of Wode. Today I bring now love call my channel today. Okay, drop love comments, not hate comments. Okay, are you hearing me?
My dad is now a vlogger.
Now hear that part when Miss Judy say, "Ha, my dad now. He now a vlogger. Why your dad no be vlogger? Dad go be vlogger because waiting he see say her daughter, daughter they do, and the daughter they do well, and the daughter, they do a lot. He go say, let me, assist my daughter, let me encourage her. What is that one user recording? They don't feel open YouTube channel. I don't say, oh, but white people they can do it, but our Africans, our parents look those things, children things, it's children, but your dad is just doing it because let me remember this place, and also let me make my daughter happy. Let my daughter see I can still vlog too. Now drop in a comment. Let's go straight to when Miss Judy say that the part when make me start open my eyes and when Miss Judy say this is our room, so beautiful. Then no, let's wash. And I told they talk. Oh yeah, I want to go.
Welcome that you a drink.
That alcohol or non-alcoholic?
Alcoholic.
Take this one. This one, sure.
Non-alcoholic.
This is alcoholic. Let's have a good time today. This is our
Dad
man.
doesn't drink. Thank you. Non-alcoholic?
Yeah. Hey,
okay.
So who's gonna pick the alcoholic?
Dad, cheers.
The boy is going to take some.
Auntie Maggie. Cheers. Cheers.
This is wine. Who's picking? No one is picking.
See, Maya's mom is angry because she's taking alcohol.
Look at mom's reaction.
Maya's mom is angry because Maya is saying she's taking alcohol.
Cheers.
Mom doesn't want him to take alcohol.
You are going to undress.
No,
You'll remain naked in front of us.
No,
You take that one.
Cheers. Oh wow, this place is so beautiful. Oh my god.
I don't know what you think for that part. Drop your comment in the comment section. When Wode take alcohol, everybody take juice. Wode mom, she take juice. Then Wode so who go take alcohol now? Mommy is here. Mommy is here. Okay, mommy, who go take alcohol? You know when you need that thing now. When your parents they go, they use and they sing. Who will call eat this meat now? Now that kind of thing I Wode play, that kind of child play. Who will call eat this meat now? Mommy, this meat today here. You go say eat and leave one for you. Now Wode say, who go drink this drink now? Who will come drink this alcohol? Everybody just take jukes. And who will come take this alcohol now? Now Wode take and my mom, in mood change. He say, those our Africa's mother, mostly parents. They're not ever they say and say we don't big. Their parent boys, okra can never taller than the owner. If okra is taller than the owner, they will bend the okra and pluck it. That is true. My people, I was shatterized when Mom Wode charge just her son took alcohol. He want to drink in front of her. How disrespect. Our Africa. If it is abroad people, they don't send though. They don't send. You will just drink. But for me, I love Wode for that. He respects his mom when he sees his mom reaction. If it is some people, if not some people, may I speak my Ghanaian people will understand our broken. If not some people, as far as say now him, they carry mama around. That respect, give him mama. He go disrespect her. He go say, mommy, I beg, understand that they drink. He don't even see mama. He don't even look his mom face. But in that aspect, Wode he show he's a real humble guy. We know before, but he show the thing show. If not some of some of they no send they go drink and they go lingle and they go lick the plates. You understand? Mom, it's just wine. Mom, it's not alcohol, but it's good as your son respects you in front of camera. He drop it. He don't follow you. Argue. I like that part. Okay. Let's keep watching. Okay. Drop your opinion. What do you think? If it is you, you will do the same thing when Woodmaya did. Yes, me, I will do the same thing. Or I will explain it to my mom. It's just like fruit. It's wine. It's not alcohol. Then I'll make my mom understand. Not me. I don't like alcohol. I don't like alcohol, but maybe I want to take something. Maybe my mom, she's afraid, or she look at it like I want to disrespect her, or I want to disrespect, Then I will try to explain it to her. It's not alcohol, it's just wine. But for me, a wine, dry gin, it's not the same, but there is still alcohol inside. It's not sun alcohol, there is alcohol inside. Okay, let's start washing again.
Is that potatoes or cocoyam?
Hey, same way.
Unfortunately, the food was so good, I forgot to show you guys the other courses. It was basically a burger, fries.
The rooms, you're going to be shown our rooms. That is behind me. Maya and the mom are further behind. So, yeah. Let's go. Oh, wow. All this is ours. Oh, my God. No way. This is so cool. I love this so much. Look at this. This is, what is it called again? No, this is jacuzzi. Ooh.
And welcome.
Wow. Oh, my God. Thank you. This is so beautiful. Oh, my God. Dad, come and see. It doesn't look like a camp, like a tent. Look at this. So lovely inside. This is incredible. Oh my goodness. Wow. Hey, this place looks good like this. Oh wow, look at this big bed. Wow. Dad, hey, give me. Come and see. Hey, bonfire adventures. Hey, thank you. Oh wow, look at his and her sink. Look at the bathtub. Woo. Hey. Okay, wow, I'm so impressed. Dad, it's really nice, right? Wow, this is so cool. Now we've come to my dad's tent. It's so cool.
So this resort we're staying in is called Emmy. This is a Maasai word which means blessing. And you can clearly see that Bonfire Adventures booked the best for us. So if you're thinking of going to the Mara or anywhere else in Kenya, you've got to get in touch with Bonfire Adventures. I'm going to leave the link in the description. I'm super excited to be sharing this place with my family. Oh my God, look at this. This is so beautiful. It says Happy Mother's Day. Oh, how thoughtful. And the beds look so cozy.
Awesome. I want to.
So my beautiful people, I hope you now watch that part. Yes, my people, that part, Miss Judy show us her father's room. But later I tried to watch. Let me see. Miss Judy will show us her, her mother-in-law room. I was still waiting. Now, as you they watch, you will still the look. I know what you not think. I'm gonna leave the comment in the comment section. Miss Judy, father and Woodmaya mom, they sleep for the same bed. I don't know who am I to judge, but if now our side, it's no. Because Miss Judy did not show us her mother-in-law room. She just show us her father. I said, let me go show you guys my dad room. Then I see Woodmaya mom inside the room. Who am I? I like as the day, no be say I love how the family organize, love their self. It's like this daughter and son, papi and mommy, if you don't know, forget about it. Drop your own opinion. Wait till you think about that part. What do you think? I know if now my mom, agree, agree at because for our side, each country they get their culture, each country get their law, each country, But when you see dad and mom, it's like both of them is just like couple, no be in-law. Me not dey see them like in-law again, because as the children just they try to merge them. I'm sorry, oh, if I hurt anybody. I'm sorry, but now when you see something, you talk little, then you will leave the remaining one inside your stomach, and then you will deliberate her out of camera, Yes, so my people, I just let you guys know there is other parts when our mommy that serve her food, she not fit eat the food. She come dey say, Miss Judy come say, you see how I suffer. I say, yes, you really suffer. Miss Judy, you don't suffer. West Africa food, in fact, West Africa food is easy to eat. Yes, West Africa food, a lot of people, a lot of white people, they testify with that. Yes, we love pepper, but there is way we prepare it. If you are the type who don't eat pepper, you will still enjoy it. Those we that already taste pepper, go other place where they don't even eat pepper, or where they don't cook something similar. Anybody that love eating pepper, once you travel out of West Africa, it's hard. Yes, let's tell ourselves the truth, is hard. Then like person like this, our mom, I would admire mom, it will be very difficult for her. One, she's not young. Two, she's elderly woman, and she never traveled out of her country before to test other food. Her first time testing all those foods, it will be very, very strange to her. I pray when she get back, when she got home, she not fall sick. And secondly, move to D1go. Yes, eat if you want to eat. Let's move to D1go. I watched am for our sister Black Beauty channel yesterday. When the right talk, when D1go bring come out from her Insta. People, the main purpose of me doing this video, what this lady write to D1go in private. She said, hey D, I am full-time YouTuber, that is content creator, wanted to meet you and come to your home for a very long time. Now that you are here, can I please visit just for 2 days? D1go said, please, my parents' home is not a content creator grant. I hope you get it. Please respect my parents' privacy. I charge $500 for collab. For collab. If ready, let me know. I know I am at home and I came to chill and bond with my parents, not collab content creator. Please stay away. And it's time for you people, because you always think, let me collab with D1go. If you are a YouTuber, my sister, do your things. D1go will not help you in your channel. For me, if you are not a traveler, you want to collab with D1go, you are just wasting your time. I have do video about it. I have do live stream about it. If you are not a traveler, you are not doing the same thing D1go is doing. You just collab for nothing. Or maybe you will start doing saga. You will start fighting for D1go. Then, if you collab with D1go, you can be receiving some love from his lovers. Maybe you will be fighting people. Apart from those two things, you are not doing the same content with D1go, and you are not fighting for D1go, to cause people as others, some of our sister did. You will not receive anything. You just collab. You waste your time. Please, if you are out there, I send you love. Just being you. To have your own base on YouTube, it take a long days, it take a long years, it take a long months, a long weeks. Just be yourself. And you D1go, those things that you are doing, stop it. Without those subscribers, you are zero in this social media. Without your subscriber, you are nothing on social media. Without your subscriber, you are not team dim. What is meaning of that, your team dim? Are you the one that is team dim? Let me know. You are not yourself team dim. It's people who subscribe to you, who love you. Those are the people you call them team dim. One of it now, somebody like me, I will not chat you up. No, I will not chat you up. Somebody not chat you up out of inside the team D. She chat you up. Can we collab? Yes, you have right to say, no, I'm here to rest, to chill with my parents. but not for you to bring a private conversation out of social media. Ah, ga, ga, ga. What do you think you are doing? Do you think you are, fighting those your people? No, you are fighting yourself. You are bringing yourself so low. You are bringing yourself so, I don't know how to pronounce it. You are not doing those people. Anybody that want to do something with you now, they want to have something doing with you, say, I don't know if I chat with her now, she will go and bring my message out. No, I don't know anything I will say now. She can bring my message. Now your brother is complaining about brand. Those things now, brand will see it now, they will run away from you. You and this lady, you are not arguing. It's when you and somebody is arguing, then they will say, okay, bring the evidence. I will bring the evidence so that I don't need stain. I don't need people to cast me. I don't need people to look me like bad. Nobody is dragging you now. Somebody who chats you in private. How dare you bring the private? I'm sorry if I use the how dare you. Bringing somebody private chats on social media. Do you think it makes sense? Do you think you are doing that person? You are doing yourself. Bringing somebody, you are doing business. You always chat, you always shout. If you want to do collab, it's collab with me, I charge money. Okay, you find business person now, you find somebody, you find customer who said, I'm willing to collab with you 2 days. It's for you to charge the person. Now, maybe you wait for the person never return, or maybe the way you reply to the person is so harsh. Maybe the person now try to stay. You now bring the both of you conversation on. So, Abi, she still have cucumber because your brother have cucumber to do vaga. Anybody that reach out to him, any lady that reach out to your brother, David Junior, your junior brother, he have cucumber. He want to do vaga the lady. Okay, now this particular person now that chats you, she still have cucumber to do vaga you. You people should stop. If there is nobody who talk to you in private, if there is nobody who talk to you in private, at least be receiving some advice online. You have mom. Your mom is a teacher and your father is a retired teacher. Those people, they have brain. They always advise you guys. Why can't you guys took from them? Why bringing somebody conversation, private conversation on social media? If this person now sue you now, yes, you are now sit, you need business. When you need business, I chat you up. Who give you the audacity to bring my private chat outside? Did I insult you? Did I talk anything wrong? We should do business together. That is why you now bring my cover. She can charge you for it. We should be very careful on this social media. We react on something we see on social media. Then I don't really understand. Look at what you just present on social media now. How do you paint yourself in front of people? And you will still hold camera. People will still be clapping hands. You guys should be careful. The same thing used to beat this team D, because this person is a team D, because somebody like me, I will not just go and chat and D one go. When I know I'm doing reaction and I'm doing reaction on my family channel, Esther Family TV, nothing relates with D one go, except I meet her on street. Maybe say, hey, this lady, can you? I'll say, I know you. You are social media personnel. I'm social media too. I react. I do vlog. Something like that. For me, just to go to your IG, start chatting, I don't think I will ever do it. No, I don't think so. If it maybe you are watching me now, you want to embark on to go and chat D1 go David Junior. Be very careful. If you are a lady, you want to chat David Junior. Maybe for land, because David Junior one time said, if you need plots of land in Yambohanze, chat. Don't try it. Oh, if you are a lady, don't try it. And if you try it with all those things that is going around, I will really know you need David Junior cucumber. And if you are a lady, you want to chat D1 go for collab, be very careful. D1 go will bring your conversation out. Be very, very careful. Those two people, I don't really know the kind name I will give them, so that I don't want to offend anybody. I don't want to use harsh word, because there is some harsh word you're supposed to use for those kind of people. Then you will download it and you will be okay. But you are on social media now. I can say it in my private, in my private time, but not online, because those things, they make me, Nigerian people say they make me go gaga. They make me go gaga. Yes, it's making me going gaga. How can you bring your passing? You are Nas who want to do collab. I watch one of your live friends say, if you want to do collab, I tried, do this. The same thing you do to our auntie from Sweden. The same thing you are doing to this person now. And our auntie Sweden it don't give you guys Lexi. You still go ahead to chat this D. Do you think the subscriber? See, I have seen a lot of people who those people rakes. Yes, Let me start with this lady. What is her name? Valencia. Valencia. Oh, not now story. See, until now, Valencia, China is dormant here. There. People are, in fact, people are hungry to get that kind of subscriber. Nothing. There is a lot of people who they give subscriber to. If they upload video, they are struggling to even get 100 view, 200 view. Like this, our auntie now, fabulous_auntie. She collabed with I Amawa. That one don't give you Lexi. She collabed with D. She got 6,000 plus. How many views is she getting? Go and check her channel. How many views? We use other people own to learn. I don't know where you guys are. I don't really know if you are watching video, if you are watching things on social media. Is here to destroy things. Social media is here to repair. Social media is here to learn. We learn from this, learn from social media. I learn a lot. So before I start, I will never collab. Yes, it's good to collab. If it is free, I will collab. Why not? I will collab, but not using my money or my pocket to collab. For what? For what? No, I will not try it. If it is free collab, yes, I'm there. If it is money, no, because it's not 100 over 100. It's not even 50-50. It's not even 100/60 or 100/40. No. Once that their lovers is out of your channel, then they go. That subscription, it remain there. If you disturb them too much, they will silence it or they will unsubscribe. You know, why forcing ourselves with those big YouTubers? Being you. Just being you. Just be, cracking the way I'm cracking, doing your things the way I'm doing my things. One day, God will answer your prayer. One day, God will touch some people who will just like your personality. Use other people on to learn. I use other people on to learn. Just come and sit there and start. No. I use other people to learn. That's why I always say, don't say Naija Daughter. No. You are not me. I'm not you. There's a lot of people, before, when I'm not a content creator, I know the video I watch. And I know people who I really love to watch their content on these streets. Why? Because I already like them. Just still wait. Build yourself to that extent where 1, 2, 3 people will start liking you, loving you. Genuinely. My people, this thing that they want go do to this lady, is it good? Bringing a private chat, not because they are arguing, not because they are quarrel. Just she feel like maybe the lady don't reply her anymore, or maybe she just want to disgrace the lady just because people talk about her. Maybe she's one of them, or anybody that don't like you will not chat you up. You understand? Then she just bring the conversation. Is it good the way D1 go is bringing people private chats out? Is it good? If you are Team D and you come across this my video, I want to know your opinion in the comment section. Don't bully anybody. Don't go anybody comment section to drop comments. Go your own and drop your own comments. The comment section is big. Take your own line and drop comment. Your opinion mean a lot. I appreciate all my subscribers, all my supporters. I really do appreciate. May the good Lord bless every one of you. I'm humble, I'm loyal. All my mommies in the house, my sister, my daddy. I'm loyal. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your care. Thank you for your always watching my video. I'm loyal. I'm humble. This is my next video.
Nothing to discuss, cause I think we